the point when you realize that to break that cycle
Much later,
and be like,
much later in
I
life.
need to talk about this?
So about the sexual abuse, 25 years later, when something, there was a situation at home where my family, extended family members wanting me to be invited to a certain event in the family, and I took a stand for myself, and first I tried to dodge it. Okay, nahi, jane do. I mean, I'm busy, this, that, and the other, because I knew if I go there and my abuser is also going to be there, I might have a reaction. I might just either feel horrible about myself or want to say something, or I did not want to go through the same feeling of that anxiety, that palpitation, and that angst, and that why did this happen, and all over again. So I tried to dodge it till that point. Now they were very adamant, nahi, ghar mein shaadi hai, aapko aana padega. And I said, okay, now let me tell them the truth, that if you invite me, there are chances of something going wrong, and I don't want to be the spoiler
of somebody
in your child's wedding, and I better ditch it and avoid it and not be a part of it. Please excuse me, right? Till that time, nobody kind of understood the impact of it. By that time, Radhika had already become a POCSO torchbearer. POCSO is, POCSO is protection of children against sexual offences. And now, since I had already understood, I was far more confident about myself. And in the meantime, my daughter had a situation where she was sexually harassed in school, which was a wake-up call for me. That was my wake-up call when I understood that something has happened to her, and I felt really horrible about myself, that all these years I was doing all this work and it's all gone down the drain because my child has encountered the same wound that I was dealing with. And then I woke up and I said, this is it, I have to end it. And in the meantime, all of this was also, chaos was also happening. Now there came a point in time where I stood up for myself and I said nothing to it. And then I spoke up, and I spoke up firmly this time. Rather, for the first time in all these 25 years, I stood up for myself like never before. And I said, and I called out the spade a spade, so nobody liked it.
Yeah.